Step 7 is a huge one because it's time for that buyer to remove their contingencies. This is where the rubber meets the road and they're committing to the purchase and they're letting go of their exit strategy. If the buyer were to cancel for some point after they've removed their contingencies, you actually have a right to go after that earnest money deposit they've got in the escrow account currently. As a quick reminder, the primary ones that we are asking the buyer to remove are the home inspection contingency, the appraisal contingency, and their full approval, not just pre-approval contingency. There are some others as well, but those are the main ones that typically present any potential issues, if there are going to be any. This is a great stage in the escrow process because you can really take that sigh of relief knowing that buyer is committing and we are as close to a done deal as we're going to be until that paperwork is signed. You can also feel comfortable at this point to start hiring movers, making plans on getting out of this property and moving on to wherever it is that you're going next because your buyer is in. That's step 7, removing those buyer contingencies.